Nicol. I'm Operations Director at KMF Precision Sheet Metal. KMF is the largest UK subcontractor of sheet metal products. We have a 120,000 square foot facility. We employ around about 420 people directly in sheet metal manufacture. We ship around about 1 million piece part products each month, and our turnover is in the range of £32 million per year. KMF serves a really diverse range of industry sectors, from aerospace, medical, obviously industrial, specialising really in the electrical distribution products. Heavily into vending, products such as the Costa coffee machine come out of this facility. A typical process in terms of receipt of order generally starts with customer contacts. Customer contacts our customer service team, orders loaded onto the system. That order then either takes its routing through the design process or the engineering planning process to give us a method of manufacture, a bill of materials, which is then translated into manufacture. Obviously moving through the various sections in terms of programming or product planning.
My name's Stephen Gardner. I've worked at KMF for 15 years and I'm the programming manager. My role entails controlling the Radan software, programming all of the CNC machine and doing verification for all programs and developments. Cutting technologies are punches, punch laser combination machines, and we have a laser cutting cell. Also we do plasma cutting and guillotine cutting.
Radan obviously plays an important part in that. It gives us the efficiencies in being able to take that design and translate that design very quickly through the cutting machines, through the folding machines. It gives us that accuracy and repeatability, so it's a really important part of the business.
Radan seamlessly integrates with all the CNC equipment we have on the bank, and it enables us to produce high quality parts. To be able to nest and use the Radan feature in nesting is massive to KMF. In the end of the day, being a subcontractor, we have to get the maximum sheet utilisation, and being able to nest multiple customers' parts in small batch quantities plays a massive role for us. Before we had rad bend, the press operators would typically manually set every single brake press from scratch, so they do it from drawing. It was a massive bottleneck within the factory. Typically, a setup would take 40 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on the intricacy of the part. Since we've incorporated rad bend, typically we're saving over 50% on job setup, and also we can save 4 or 5 parts on setup as well. Typically we can set up using one part. This has revolutionised our brake press area by giving the operators the ability to import a program with a 3D view on their machine console. Is saved over 50% job setup, and also is minimised scrappage. By using Radan's nesting software, we can program any quantity that we like. It gives us the ability to nest the said batch quantity. So if the customer wants a 5 off, we can nest 5 off. If we had to run full sheet programs on the CNC punches, for example, we can encounter 20% waste.
The apprenticeship programme is a really important part of KMF, and we're really proud of what we do with our apprentices. Obviously they gain those skills all the way through the business. They spend time in all of the different operations and all the different business functions, and obviously as part of that they will learn those programming functions, and again we take that opportunity to embed the Radan software at that very early stage, and then we build on that as they move through the business.
By giving the apprentices the ability to get hands on the Radan software and program and set up the CNC machine themselves is imperative to the future business of KMF. As one of the leading sheet metal subcontractors in the UK, we need to encourage the apprentices and show them what skills they need to have when they move into the main working environment.
I think Radan is an integral part of the process, and I think it's bringing together the people, the systems, the hardware and the software to make all of these things work seamlessly together.
Radan gives us the ability to develop these parts and utilise the full capabilities of the machinery we have out there.